Welcome to Forever Moments by Jasmyn. I use this channel to paint and honor women who have been slain or are no longer here, to bring awareness of how many of us are actually dying. As I paint, I'm using oil paints on canvas paper, and this is me drawing freehand with some acrylic paint first. So the beautiful woman that I'm painting today is Nia Wilson. She was only 18 years old and unfortunately lost her life in a hate crime in Oakland, California. Nia and her sisters, Latifah and Tashaya, were returning from a party at their aunt's house in Concord, California. They had gotten on a train at Concord Station and were transferring trains at MacArthur Station in order to go home. At approximately 9:30 p.m. at MacArthur Station, a man slashed Nia's throat and stabbed her older sister Latifah in the neck. The attacker was silent and stood back watching as Nia bled out and died, while Latifah, who survived with a serious neck wound, held her. Tashaya was not physically harmed, but I'm sure there was a lot of emotional damage. Police identified John Colwell based on the security cameras at the scene. A backpack with Colwell's identification inside and witness statements of him wiping the knife clean and fleeing after the attack. The police say that there was no motive that they knew of, but many people believe that it was a hate crime. Nia was born November 12, 1999, and was a cheerleader and a rapper. She dreamed of having a dance studio. She and her cousins were in a music group, and they even recorded songs and released videos. Nia was a daughter of Ansar El Mohammed and Alicia Grayson. She was the youngest of 6 sisters, including Malika Harris, Latifah Wilson, Nashaya Wilson, and Tashaya Wilson, and 2 brothers. She had her whole life ahead of her, and unfortunately, it was cut short. Nia's family remember her as being beautiful inside and out. She was always positive, and one of her sisters said she jumped at the chance to help others. She always offered pep talks to her sisters when they were down, and even performed the Heimlich maneuver on her aunt as she choked at a family party. Nia was a beautiful soul, and unfortunately her life was cut short by John Lee Colwell. He was convicted of first-degree murder and other charges for the fatal stabbing of Nia Wilson. Jurors only deliberated for about 2 hours before announcing their verdict against Colwell. Colwell was found guilty and sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. This is Nia Wilson. Gone but never forgotten. She will always be a forever moment. Please like and comment and subscribe if you appreciated my video, the information I shared, and if you want to hear more, you can even comment and let me know who you guys think we should have a forever moment about next. Thank you so much.